My name is Terrence Douglas, and I want to give a shout out to Kartra. Kartra is an online tool that you can use to build and grow your business. It's tons of software out there for building websites. It's tons of them. I must say, there are a lot of templates. You just grab the template and you can build your website alone. There's tons of software that you can build funnels so that you can learn how to walk step by step and build a nice website and you know what you're doing. But there's not a tool out there that you can build websites, build funnels, simulate funnels, have analytics for your website, do a webinar, do emails, text, and I already said emails, and create a list. Kartra is one of the best tools and softwares that you can use today, to this day, to grow your business. It's not about um, survive in your business anymore. If you're going to survive, you must well pack it up. You have to thrive. And in order to thrive, you need a tool like Kartra. If you don't have anything like this or anything similar, you're going to find yourself getting left behind.